Tuya app configuration. Touch the screen to activate the monitor. Touch Settings. Touch Manager. Touch WLAN setting. Select Wi-Fi. Type Wi-Fi password. Now the monitor is connected to the Wi-Fi. Touch Home icon. Touch Cloud icon. Touch Show QR for scan. Open the Tuya app from your smartphone. Touch Plus. Select Scan and scan the QR code displayed on the monitor. Now the monitor has been added. Touch Done. Now you are connected to the door station. Touch the handset icon to activate audio communication. Touch the handset icon to finish the communication.